Morning. Good morning, my chi lifers. Beautiful day. Look at that. It's hump day. Imagine that we would have that negativity to call Wednesday a hump day. You know, that life is so awful that we calculated according to the fact we're in the middle of a week, according to a set calendar that was created. Yeah. You know, it's funny. I haven't worked a Monday in about, I think, 15 years, maybe 10 years, maybe 15 years I haven't worked a Monday. And there's a reason for that. Rightly or wrongly, I read a statistic that most men my age, between 40 and 60, die of a heart attack on Monday mornings. So I wonder if that statistic is framed in and around a Monday morning being Christ, 9 to 5, getting in the car, commuting to the office, got work to do. It's the stress of getting up and going to work in a job that you hate. Can you imagine it? No, I couldn't imagine it. Now, don't get me wrong. Yeah, we do live in a society where bills have to be paid, and there has to be fair exchange. So, in an environment where I'd say at least more than half the working people are not enamored with their career, what are the offsets to the stress of that? And as you know, well known on this channel, being in nature is a massive plus for me. And the other thing is having a practice that is not a religion, it's not a dogma, it's not a strict code of conduct, it's a nourishing wellness practice that nurtures your life force. So for me, it's all about the chi. I'm all about the chi. And we have a joke with my students is that one of my favorite foods is cheesecake, but we call it chi cake. So when I'm not physically eating cheesecake, what I'm doing is I'm nurturing myself with chi cake. And I gather that chi from nature primarily, and I gather the chi from my practice. Whether it be standing, sitting, walking, breath work, hiking, walking the dog today, having that regular discipline, whether it's 5 minutes or 20 minutes, or even 2 hours in some cases of training. A good friend of mine, if he's watching, he knows who he is. He used to say to me, if you're stressed, you need 20 minutes of meditation a day. If you're stressed and very busy, you need 30 minutes of meditation a day. If you're overwhelmed, you need an hour of meditation a day. And of course, people would say to me, where am I going to find the time? Where am I going to find the time to do all this meditation when I'm so busy and so overwhelmed? But I understood what my friend was saying. He was saying to me that investing back in yourself makes you more efficient, helps you work more smoothly, and therefore when you're more efficient you can do more and be more, and therefore experience less stress. Makes sense.